I had a lot of problems with big sport fishing, all kinds of big boats flying by here making a 4-foot wake, and as you can see, all my cleats are cracking all the way around from the stress. So what I did is I bought a mannequin and I put a rowboat out there, and the boat traffic has slowed down probably 90% since I put this up. All the guys gawking at the girl, or looking at the rowboat thinking there's a kid in there and she's looking at it. But anyway, it works. All the signs in the world don't mean a damn.